Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable app drawer on any Android phone. Simply go in settings, scroll down, go in home screen, go in home screen layout. Here you can see home and app screen. It means my app drawer is enabled. Now if I select home screen only, tap on apply. Now let's check it out. As you can see, all my applications are showing on the right side and my app drawer is disabled. So again, I will go in settings, home screen layout. I will select home and app screen to enable the app drawer. As you can see, now my app drawer is enabled. So this is how you can enable app drawer on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.